Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Soultone cymbals are probably one of the most sought-after cymbals by drummers worldwide, known for their unique sound characteristics and wide range of options to suit diverse musical styles and preferences. From their bright and cutting crashes to their dark and washy rides, each cymbal offers a distinct sonic identity, making them a versatile choice for both studio recordings and live performances. Let's dive into what makes Soultone cymbals stand out and help you choose the perfect ones for your drumming needs. Number 5. Soultone EXT CRS18 Crash. Get ready to experience the Soultone EXT CRS18, an 18-inch extreme crash cymbal. Its raw bell and edge deliver a unique, powerful sound. It features a raw bell and raw edge, contributing to its distinctive character. These elements enhance the cymbal's already impressive sonic qualities. This cymbal produces a dark and deep tone, perfect for adding depth and texture to your music. Its rich sound will captivate any listener. Each cymbal is meticulously hand-hammered, ensuring superior quality and consistency. This traditional method gives it a unique and expressive sound. The Soultone EXT CRS18 is more than just a cymbal, it's an instrument that will inspire your creativity. Let its powerful sound take your drumming to the next level. Hear the difference that hand hammering makes. This cymbal offers a unique sonic experience that will elevate your drumming. What we like. It features a raw bell and raw edge, resulting in a dark and deep tone. The hand hammering gives it a unique character. If you are looking for a powerful and expressive crash cymbal with a distinctive sound, this is the one for you. What people say. The sound is quite explosive, with dark overtones. It also decays quite fast with a slight growl in the decay. It works well as a crash ride cymbal as well due to the 18 size and the natural finished and raw finished playing surfaces. And the raw bell makes it a great crash ride as well. Number 4. Soultone EXT SPL 1212 Splash. Get ready to experience the Soultone EXT SPL 1212 Splash cymbal. Its raw bell and edge deliver a unique sound. It has a raw bell and raw edge, contributing to its distinctive character. This gives it a powerful and cutting sound. This cymbal produces a dark and deep tone. It's perfect for adding depth and texture to your music. It's hand-hammered for superior quality and a unique sonic signature. Each one is crafted with care. The Soultone EXT SPL 1212 Splash cymbal will transform your drumming. Let its unique sound inspire your creativity. Hear the difference that hand hammering makes. This cymbal offers exceptional quality and a unique sound unlike any other. What we like. This cymbal also boasts a raw bell and edge, producing a dark and deep tone. The hand hammering process gives it a complex and nuanced sound. If you need a splash cymbal that cuts through the mix without being overly bright, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Has a clean full splash sound without being too tinny sounding. Quick decay and lots of tone. Number 3. Soultone GSP CRS15 Crash Cymbal. Get ready to experience the rich, expressive sound of the Soultone GSP CRS15 Gospel Crash Cymbal. It's expertly crafted for a dynamic and versatile performance. This 15-inch cymbal delivers a powerful crash with a warm, resonant tone, perfect for adding texture and excitement to your music. It is made with high-quality materials and manufacturing process, ensuring exceptional durability and consistent sound quality. Specifically designed for gospel music, it provides the perfect blend of power and finesse, enhancing your musical expression. This cymbal is proudly crafted in Turkey, a country renowned for its rich history in cymbal making. You can trust in its superior quality and craftsmanship. Despite its impressive size, it comes in compact packaging, measuring 9.2 cm L x 38.2 cm W x 39.3 cm H and weighing only 0.814 kg, making it easy to transport and store. What we like. It's surprisingly lightweight and easy to transport. Its versatile sound is perfect for various musical styles. If you're on a budget but still want quality, this is a great option. What people say. Handcrafted 80/20 bronze Turkish crash. As loud as you want it with a nice edge swoosh for some dynamic versatility. Number 2. Soultone EXT HHT 15 Hi-Hats. Get ready to experience the raw power and depth of the Soultone EXT HHT 15 Hi-Hats. These hand-hammered cymbals deliver an unparalleled sonic experience. The raw bell and raw edge of these hi-hats contribute to their unique and captivating sound. It's a sound that will cut through any mix. These hi-hats produce a dark and deep tone, perfect for adding subtle texture or powerful accents to your drumming. They're incredibly versatile. Each cymbal is meticulously hand-hammered, ensuring superior quality and a rich, complex sound. This traditional method gives them a unique character. With their dark, deep tone and raw feel, these hi-hats will inspire your creativity and take your drumming to the next level. Experience the difference. The Soultone EXT HHT 15 hi-hats offer a unique sonic experience that will transform your playing. Upgrade your kit today. What we like. With its raw bell and edge, it offers a dark and deep tone. The hand hammering gives it a unique texture and sound. If you prefer a dark and complex hi-hat sound, this pair is perfect for you. What people say. These are a bit darker than, say, Zildjian new beats or quick beats. They cut beautifully, have a great chick. They feel and sound awesome. Number 1. Soultone CST CRS 20-20 Crash Cymbal. Get ready to experience the Soultone CST CRS 20-20 Crash Cymbal. It delivers a versatile and powerful sound, perfect for any musical style. This cymbal is meticulously hand-hammered, giving it a unique character and enhancing its rich sound. You'll feel the difference in its exceptional craftsmanship. It offers a great all-around sound that's equally at home in quiet ballads and high-energy rock anthems. It adapts to any musical situation. Whether you're playing jazz, rock, pop, or anything in between, this cymbal will complement your playing style. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any drummer. Watch how effortlessly it transitions between delicate washes and powerful crashes. It's the perfect addition to your drum kit. With its rich sound and exceptional versatility, it will inspire your creativity and elevate your drumming to the next level. Order yours today. What we like. It provides a great all-around sound suitable for any musical setting. Its hand-hammered construction gives it a complex and nuanced tone. If you need a versatile crash cymbal that can handle any situation, this is the one to choose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.